Today we'll be making spicy chicken miso stir fry with jalapeno. A quick, bold, and flavorful meal ready in just 20 minutes. It is made with tender chicken, savory miso, and fresh jalapenos for that perfect kick. Great for busy nights or meal prep. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you're ready to spice up your dinner. Now let's get started. First, we wash and take the stem on 3 jalapenos or more if you like it spicy. Then we slice them. Then we slice 2 chicken breasts or chicken thigh, about 500 grams. I like to use some meat tenderizer on the breast. You don't have to, especially if you're using thigh. Mix the chicken slices and let it sit for 10 minutes. These are the ingredients for the spicy chicken miso. The chicken powder is optional. Heat about 4 tablespoons oil in the pan, then add the chicken. Cook until the chicken is almost cooked, then add the jalapenos. Cook until the jalapenos are done and take both out of the pan. Put 2 tablespoons miso in the remaining oil and saute the miso briefly. Then add the chicken jalapeno back and continue sauteing. Add 1 tablespoon mirin and 1 tablespoon sake and continue cooking. Turn off heat and add 2 teaspoons sesame seed oil. Your spicy chicken miso is ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time.